In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send an invoice in Xero. Let's get started right inside your Xero account. Once you're logged in and you're on the right organization, head to the sales area. This is your home base for billing and getting paid. From there, open the Invoices section to see all your current drafts, awaiting approvals, and sent invoices. This view helps you stay on top of what's outstanding, but today we're creating something new. Click the New Invoice button, and in the drop-down, choose New Invoice. That opens a fresh invoice form. First, pick the customer contact. Selecting the correct contact ensures Xero pulls in the right details for emailing later. If your customer has multiple contacts saved, make sure you choose the one who should receive the invoice. Next, set your invoice date. This is the official date that appears on the document and often drives accounting periods. Then add the due date. Choose a date that matches your payment terms, whether it's due on receipt, in 7 days, or at month end. Clear due dates help avoid confusion and keep cash flow predictable. Now, enter the product or service details. In the description area, write what you're billing for in plain client-friendly language. Clarity reduces back-and-forth emails and speeds up payment. Add the quantity and the price for each line. Double-check that the units and amounts make sense. If your pricing includes or excludes tax based on your settings, verify that the figures look exactly how you want the customer to see them. Before sending anything, take a moment to review the entire invoice. Confirm the customer contact, invoice date, due date, line descriptions, quantities, prices, and totals. Think of this as your final quality check to prevent corrections later. When everything looks right, click Approve and Email. This action finalizes the invoice and prepares the email you'll send to your customer. In the email preview, review the subject and message. Keep it professional and concise so the purpose of the message is unmistakable. Enter or confirm the customer's email address. Make sure it's the correct recipient for billing. If you need to provide supporting documents, like a signed agreement or a timesheet, attach those files now. Relevant attachments can speed approvals and reduce questions. Finally, click Send. Xero will deliver the invoice by email and provide your customer with a link to view and pay, depending on your setup. And that's it. Your invoice is created, approved, and on its way.